Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this 2008 SUV in the Allure specification. This has the 1.6 litre Blue HDI engine with 100 horsepower. It also comes with Peugeot's grip control, which gives you optimised grip in different conditions such as snow, mud and sand. Outside of the car you've got 17-inch alloy wheels, tinted rear windows and reverse parking sensors. Inside you've got a 7-inch touchscreen that gives you DAB digital radio as well as Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth connectivity. There's also dual zone air conditioning and cruise control. So let's have a look around. So if this car is of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.